Hey guys, Joey with CrossFlight Sky Solutions here. Let's talk about how you can integrate drones into your classroom with our brand new high school drone curriculum. A little bit about myself first. Before I joined the CrossFlight team, I was a young entrepreneur in this budding industry. I had to teach myself everything, from FAA guidelines and getting certified to risk mitigation, mission planning, and other vital skills. Proper training and education is needed to become an FAA certified drone pilot. Looking back, if I could have left high school knowing this, I would have been miles ahead by now and not one of the many people still trying to figure it out on their own. But when I was in high school, there were no experts on drones. It was a brand new industry, and in many ways, it still is. Thankfully, times are changing. In the 3 years CrossFlight has been in business, we've already accumulated over 5,500 hours of drone flight time, and combining that with over 35 years of aviation and FAA experience, we've brought you and your students our comprehensive high school drone curriculum. Following FAA standards, our STEM and STEAM-based curriculum delivers an engaging content that students can now use to integrate into a growing variety of industries such as agriculture, surveying, mining, aerospace, and many more. We deliver our curriculum with lesson plans, activities, and evaluations through an online learning management system for 24-hour access and interaction. We've spent over 3 years gaining the experience and now have a curriculum that you can integrate seamlessly into your classrooms. Give your students the head start that I wish I had had only a few short years ago. Thanks for watching, guys. I wanted to mention that as a solutions-based company, this is only one of the many commercial drone services that we offer. Please check us out on our website and feel free to reach out on Facebook, Instagram, give us a call, or shoot us an email. We can't wait to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.